back to the Y factor. No. I'm not promoting Ganpati ka laddus. This movie has released today. You know. Well, what to say? The king of nepotism is back again with another of his nepotism products, with his beautiful nepotism student of the year. And what can we say? Why should we say? Well, I think there's been much of a debate happening since some time as to what's ailing Bollywood and what's wrong with the Hindi film industry. Nothing is wrong. Once a great person had said, people deserve their government that they elect. Similarly, the audience deserves the movies which you choose to see. But till the time you continue endorsing such dramatic products, they keep getting kachra like this. कोई जुग जीने वाला नहीं है फिर. Because everybody is so enamored. So once we stop watching this kachra, then only will the people stop making kachra. Same is this product, this so-called attempt to a film. I wouldn't even call it a film. An attempt to a movie called Liger. Just the name shows such a warped mind process of the makers. धर्मा वाले तो गधे हैं. उनको तो भूल ही जाओ कि they are only banking on Karan Johar's star power and his clout in the industry and the money power which they have borrowed, begged or stolen or whatever. और कब तक बचोगे तुम? और कब तक बचेंगे ये? जब तक ऑडियंस के दिमाग में कॉन्शियस है. Because crossbreed, Liger, the thought process only is, and then one side where these people come as so up to date on these coffee shows and everything, खुद का ही show controversial बनाने के लिए, though they are so modern in their outlook and so up to speed, but basically they are just gossip mongers. And then you have a movie which is so regressive in its approach especially towards women. So if you are a mother, your only job is to keep shouting at your son like a howling hag, for the lack of a better word. And if you are the student prodigy who is supposed to be the heroine of the film, you are only supposed to wear skimpy clothes, dance on songs which are like moaning sounds, and keep talking bullshit. Where's my vodka? ये तुम्हारा sense of frustration है. This is the thought process these people are sitting in. So whatever people say, induced under influence or influence of substance, influence of money, influence of power, when you have a thought process which is so, for the lack of a better word, screwed up, you are going to come with kachra products. Puri Jagannath को direction के साथ सब कुछ दे दिया है. So he has a credit for everything. There are people who are credited with dialogues and everything, but it's kachra. There is no concept of a story. You were thinking that you are going to bank on Vijay's, Deverakonda's clout to make a pan-Indian film. Was barring Arjun Reddy, nobody north of the Vindhyas knows the lie. Because Arjun Reddy का remake बना था कबीर से. उसका dear comrade and also कम सा. He is not some great superstar as it is. He has a good crowd following. But that has been quite a few Hindi film heroes who have no hits in the KTs in the last couple of years. So that thought कि हाँ इसको लेंगे, अपनी घर की प्रोडक्शन वाली लड़की को लेंगे और पिक्चर बना देंगे लाइगर. Thought process is warped. I'm repeating myself. And it is bound to be, because this is what they thought that they could survive on, and they were surviving on. अब जब कलंक लगा है तब भी नहीं सुधरे तुम, तो होगा ही ना स्क्रू डीलर. The movie is bad. Poor, I feel the only person I feel bad for is Ronit Roy, because the poor guy honestly does every role he gets, he does it with sincerity. करण जौहर की फिल्म में तो बेचारा कोच ही बन के रह गया है, वाले स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर हो या ये हो। एंड इवन शमशेरा पुअर गाय वाज लाइक अ कोच फादर फिगर टू रणबीर कपूर बल्ली। So he gets limited scope, and whatever he does full justice. I think Sanjay Gupta will give him much better answers. I mean, his performance in Kabil was something to rewatch rather than this Kachara which has come out yesterday or day before in some cities. Vijay Deverakonda is average. Usko, I think in order to avoid the mistake of Prabhas and everything, as they can't talk Hindi, they got him the stammering Hakle ka part, which was uncalled for. Not that he actually adds any gravitas to his performance. Ramya is just shouting. I would not be surprised if मतलब ये वो बाहुबली के टाइम पे उससे बात किया होगा and वो उसी मोड में चली गई बेचारी. She is only shouting. The mother-son bond, if they had to play on, then they should learn from Shootout and Lokhandwala with Amrita Singh and Vivek Oberoi. That was something to aspire for. Similar setup. अनन्या पांडे बेचारी के साथ शोषण हो रहा है. I don't think the girl can act. I mean, everybody knows she can't act. And if she publicly keeps on saying her talent is about touching her tongue with her nose, so just show that the girl doesn't have brains also. Just because the mother is a part of the so-called glamorous wives of Bollywood and dramatic production and all that stuff, तो बेटी को इंड्यूस करके धक्का मार के लगा रहे हैं इधर, and क्या फायदा? You're making her do rubbish. The girl can't act for nuts, and she only makes a mockery of herself on stage. And then you go to town promoting her. Puri Jagannath's direction is pathetic. मतलब a person who's made about 39 films came up with this rubbish at this age is shocking. And the so-called baps of Bollywood who thought they are so woke and they are so updated and modernized, they came up with this kachra. I'm not even going into the tangent of getting Mike Tyson. मतलब Tyson को तो बेचारे को पैसे मिल गए, उसने कर लिया. Have money, will dance. But क्या? What did they think? What did the makers think? And this is the reason. This is what is ailing Bollywood. Kachra production houses once upon a time, because of their fathers, like they rightfully claim, products of nepotism used to be good once upon a time. They abused their power and now they are coming out with only products which are a result of that abuse of power. Be it a coffee show, be it a glamorous wife show, or be it this kachra like this. Wait, it doesn't end there. After 2 weeks they'll come with another Astraverse. We'll wait, we'll reserve our comments for that when we see that debacle happening soon. But in a way it is good. If because ऐसा प्रोडक्शन में बार फ्लॉप पिक्चर बनाते रहेंगे, नहीं एकदम भाई हेवी नुकसान वाला 160 करोड़ के खर्चे में कचरा बनाया तुमने, तो उसमें से 160 करोड़ में से 60 करोड़ प्रॉफिट रखते, 100 करोड़ गरीबों में बांट देते ना, फॉर कोविड विक्टिम्स दुआएं मिलती. अभी भी जाग जाओ नेपोटिज्म वालों, तुम्हारा तो अंतकाल दिख ही रहा है. Give it 2 more weeks. Does it have the right factor? Are you freaking mad? I am upset about the fact that I have to even review this movie. I had given Harry Met Sage negatives. ये उससे भी बदतर है. Do like and subscribe to our channel, and please follow us on Instagram and Twitter.